Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Luxo token. Ticker symbol is LYX. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 6th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Luxo token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 6th at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. Now, actually, I keep saying token, but technically it is a coin. They do have their own mainnet here. You can find it at explorer.execution.mainnet.luxo.network. So yes, this coin is getting listed February 6th at 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this coin is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol LYX, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. Now, you can find their webpage at luxo.network. Over there, you're going to find tons of links. Now, usually these blockchain projects have gigantic white papers, and this one definitely has a gigantic white paper. I was looking at it, it was like 146 pages. Very lengthy white paper. They also have technical documents, GitHub, media kit, full white paper, contact information, career section. So much information on here. I mean, you could be reading about this forever. So, Luxo is the blockchain for the new creative economies. As a next generation layer 1 EVM blockchain, Luxo has introduced a series of new tools and standards that completely revolutionize the way the world interacts with blockchain technology. Luxo solutions are bringing blockchain technology to its next frontier by addressing the biggest barriers faced within the blockchain technology today. Luxo's core building blocks allows all participants in the new creative economies to tap into the full potential of Web3 and reshape the future of digital lifestyle ecosystems through identification, virtualization, and tokenization. With new dynamic tools and standards, next-generation applications can be built on Luxo with NFT 2.0. Universal profiles and cultural currencies allowing creative industries to evolve seamlessly into the new digital lifestyle arena. So, Luxo is bringing blockchain technology to the next frontier. As a neutral base layer and open technological playground for innovation, Luxo blockchain provides creators and users with future-proof tools and standards to unleash their creative force in an open, interoperable ecosystems. Now, Luxo's key principles connect physical and digital product dimensions further, strengthen individual experiences, and build strongly relational communities through identification, virtualization, and tokenization. So I guess the Marjorie Hernandez is a futurist and entrepreneur fusing the ever-evolving worlds of blockchain design and technology. So this is one of the co-founders, it looks like. And we don't need to go over this and then there's the other team members. So their team members are doxed, so that's great to see. And it says you can dive deeper about the whole project on their main website there. Now, you can explore Luxo's open and interoperable blueprint of phygital and digital worlds. Discover Luxo, a revolutionary blockchain where creativity and innovation converge. Explore our community hub, learn more about our vision, or jump right in and start building today. It's an innovative initiative of foundation for the new creative economy. Now, they have so many links on here. So they have their key principles on here. And first one is identification. So their solutions for the new digital lifestyle arena enable unique and interoperable digital identities for all participants and objects, which allows them to interact and transact with each other across ecosystems and platforms. Virtualization, so lifestyle production models are being revolutionized by tapping into the full potential of virtualization to create an immersive experience in truly new ways. And tokenization, through tokenization, the creative community's value can flow freely between all participants where token economies can strengthen customer experiences, commitments, and relationships. So Luxo's initial use cases are tied into the overarching dynamics that are shaping the current creative lifestyle ecosystem. With mindful consumerism and ethical living on the rise, producers can use Luxo's decentralized record of provenance to increase the overall transparency of their practices and to capture the unique stories of individual products. Creators can incorporate smart IP rights into their physical, digital, and virtual works. They facilitate provenance authentication and anti-counterfeiting IP transactions, IP right audits, digital rights management, and IP clearing. And by establishing digital identities for physical products, creators can enable their digital ownership, continuously gather their unique and singular data history, and have lasting and direct access to their owners. The newfound knowledge about a product redefines its value. So if you want to learn more, you can check out their documents or a gigantic 146-page white paper, which you can read for a few hours. It's like listening to 7 podcasts. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this blockchain, this coin? Leave a comment. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.